In a quiet little village, a gentle story begins.
My Redcap is my favorite. Grandma! Grandma, can I wear my red cap to the forest today?
Yes, my dear. Stay on the path and be careful.
I promise. Hi, I'm so happy to see you.
Hello, my dear. Come on in. Take this basket to your grandma. Be careful, my dear.
I will, Mother. Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye, dear. Be safe.
Goodbye, Mom. The forest is so beautiful. Hello, little rabbit.
Hello, little Redcap girl.
Where are you going? To pick some flowers. Can I help? Of course. To my grandma's house.
Good morning, little girl.
Good morning, Mr. Wolf.
I wish you a safe walk.
I will stay on the path. I'm here! Grandma, it's me! I'm here!
I'm so proud of you.
My red cap reminds me to be kind and brave. Goodbye, see you soon.
Goodbye, my dear.